Hi guys, today we're doing I'm covering some of the guys, sorry about that. 2, and we'll start. You already know 3. So we're getting 3 more, and hopefully we don't get this again, because that was a nightmare. Like, you just bought these, you don't want twins, and then you get a twin. It did like a 360 there. Yeah, these things. Scissors. Get the scissors of truth. This one's small. It's a squid. It's a squid. This is one of the guys I wanted. This is my favorite thing. It's from the fish aisle. That's already good. And I got another one. Let's hope I get another one from the fish aisle. Double yuck. Let's try to get double yuck, okay, guys? Double yuck. Oh, no, please, no. Another one from the fish aisle. Yes. Actually, maybe each box has like a different one. So if this one has junkyard, will have 2 junkyards. But 2 ones from the fish aisle. Oh my God, yes. That's my favorite squid. Oh my God, I'm knocking down all of them. So, box number 1 already has like these, like a blob fish and a squid. I almost called it an octopus. Yeah, I'm yelling about that one. So let's see this one. I keep forgetting about these things. I just opened one with these things, and I forgot about them for like a second. This one is like big. It's a washing machine? I think it's a washing machine. It's a fridge! Oh my... if you want to exercise, get a fridge. There's the old berry. Get a fridge and squeeze it. Oh my... This is like... Oh, wow. This is like tough. Oh. This is a tough little guy. Well, not little. Like, he was huge. Where's the other... There's another package. It rolled away. You're not getting out of prison, yo. Not happening. Caught you trash can handed. So let's open this one, and I got... Is this a sandwich or pizza? I got a million of these things, so actually I got one that's already open next to me. So the squid is called Squished Squid. Yeah, I got the pink one. And then the blobfish is called Slobfish. And then the fridge, I think, is in Junkyard, which is on the other side. Yeah, Junkyard, the Fudge's Fridge, I think. And this guy, after him on the floor, is in Trashy Alley Sloppy Pizza Box. I thought I was close. It was a sandwich or a pizza, but not a pizza box. Didn't say pizza box. Now I wish I did. So far, no twins. Good. Now we're opening this one. I took the plastic off when you guys weren't looking, or the camera wasn't looking. Let's do. Look out! Oh God! I'm messing up the whole shot. I just messed everything up. Yay! Good job. This is square. This is already square, I can tell. Is this lasagna? Lasagna? Is Garfield gonna come? Yeah, it is lasagna. Garfield. Had to do that. I just had to. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have one more. He's hiding. This is a mess. This is messier than the store all these guys come from. Oh, yes, another one. It's the Cam. He's one of my favorites. The Cam's one of my favorites. Now that I'm looking at him, he's pretty cool. I'm going to bite my eyes. So, I'm going to put him here. So, those are all the guys you got. If we raise the camera, we got, those are all the guys we have. So, let me give you a review. Some, like these guys, like the fridge, are hard to squeeze. Some are like easy, like very easy. Some are like, some are like skinny, like this guy, and like easy to fall over. So yeah, that's the Grossery Gang for you. Sorry, I blocked the camera. So goodbye.